Time to unbox the Wifgar Bone Conduction Headphones. Okay, well, pretty basic packaging. Just has the headphones sitting right there. Just has a charging cable and has earplugs. Look at that. So we have a power button right there. This little padding feels comfortable. This is also very bendy and stretchy, and it doesn't feel like it'll break unless you can maybe stretch it too far the other way and it might stick in that position if you were to stretch it that far. Let's see how they fit on my head. I had thought from the video or from pictures on Amazon that I just had the impression that this back bar would be flush with my head, and it's not. And so I do worry if I'm like running or moving that it could kind of jiggle back and forth, which could be a little annoying. But I might need to go actually like run with it and see how it feels to know that for sure. So these don't actually go inside the ear. That's one of the perks about them, is they don't fit inside the ear. So if you don't like having things inside your ear, then this is for you. Back from testing it out. So I went outside, ran up and down the street. I thought it would kind of dislodge as I did, but it didn't. It stayed pretty firm. I couldn't even shake my head like this and it stays. So it was actually better than I expected when it comes to staying on your head. Something that was advertised is that because these are not in your ears, you'll be able to hear your surroundings better. I think that's true. I was talking to my wife with them on. I could understand her pretty well, not perfectly, but I think better than I would if I was wearing headphones inside of my ears, just with my experience with those. One thing I slightly don't like about it is I feel a little pressure there on my ears, and it just feels slightly annoying, but I feel like it's kind of like, I don't know if you wear like a new wristband, you notice it all the time, and then you eventually stop noticing it. I think that's how this will be. I gave it to my wife and she tried it out. Well, she enjoys it because normal headphones don't fit in her ears because her ears are too small. And so these ones actually fit really well. Because this hangs out the back a little bit, if you were to lean against a couch as you're listening, it will dislodge it a bit. You can still hear it if it's dislodged, but it just moves it. So that's one thing to think about. But these are meant to be athletic, and so you won't be having that problem too much if you're out exercising with them. Overall, I would definitely recommend to buy these.